In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email in Outlook. By the end, you'll be confidently signing in to the correct mailbox in Outlook on the web, whether it's a personal Outlook.com address or a work or school account. Start by opening your web browser and going to Microsoft's Outlook or account page. This ensures you're on the official Microsoft site before you sign in. If you land on a general Microsoft account page, that's fine. There's a direct link to Outlook Mail from there. If you're already signed into a different account, don't worry, we'll switch accounts in a moment. As a quick tip, if you're on a shared or public computer, use a private browsing window to keep your session separate. Once Outlook Mail loads, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. It might be a picture or your initials inside a small circle. This menu controls which account you're using. If you manage multiple mailboxes for work and personal use, getting comfortable with this menu will save you time and reduce mix-ups. From that profile menu, choose Sign In with a different account. This tells Outlook you want to switch or add another email without guessing which one you mean. You may be prompted to confirm sign out of the current session first. Go ahead and continue. This step keeps things clean and prevents your browser from automatically returning to the wrong mailbox. When the sign in page appears, type the email address you want to use with Outlook and select Next. This can be a personal Outlook.com address or a Microsoft 365 work or school email. Make sure you enter it exactly as it's written by your organization or provider. If the page recognizes your domain, it will guide you to the correct sign in screen automatically. Follow the prompts to enter your password and complete any security checks. You might see options like multi-factor verification, device approval, or a stay signed in checkbox. Only choose to stay signed in on your own device, not on shared computers. If you're asked to grant permissions, review them and continue. These are required for Outlook to load your mailbox securely. After you finish, Outlook will open your inbox for that account. To confirm you're in the right place, click the profile icon again and check the email shown there. If you manage multiple accounts, you can repeat this same process anytime to switch. If you ever get stuck in a sign-in loop, try refreshing the page or using a private window. That's it. Your email is now added in Outlook and you're ready to work from the right mailbox.